Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a pie chart and when to use this pie chart in Tableau. So pie chart is useful when there is a need to determine the shares or contribution of various categories. The angle of pie chart determines the measure value. So here the measure is sales, and the different colors assigned to this pie chart is to represent the members in a dimension. So here dimension is subcategories. So let's create a pie chart to show how different product subcategories contribute to total sales. So let's go to Tableau. So to create a pie chart, from the marks card I will select pie. Then I will drag this measure sales into angles. Then you will get this circle which is 100%. So you can enter view. Now we need to determine the shares of various subcategories. So I will drag these subcategories and I will put it in colors in a marks card. So this is a simple pie chart. I can add labels to this chart. So I will drag subcategories in labels. And I will also drag sales into labels. And I want this sales label in percentage. So right click on this sales which is in label and click on this quick table calculation and select this percent of total. So what we can observe from this pie chart is the whole percentage of this pie chart is 100%, and the sales percentage of this subcategory bookcases is 5%, and the sales percentage of this subcategory binders is 8.85%, and so on. So the angle of this pie chart determines the measure value, and the colors, the different colors assigned to this pie chart is to represent members in a dimension. So you can also format this pie chart. You can change the colors in this pie chart from this colors legend. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.